Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Learn and Fun channel. So guys, I hope you all are fine and doing good at your home. So guys, if you are new to our Learn and Fun channel, then subscribe our channel, press the bell icon. Guys, today's our topic is very interesting and it will be gonna amazing. So today is our topic about the cut cup application, and it is a video editing application, and we will get this application from the you can see from the Play Store. We will get this application. So first of all, I will go to the CapCut application, and from here first of all we will visit our Play Store and see the CapCut application. Here is our Play Store. Let's open the CapCut application. Let me type this CapCut application. Okay, so you can see here is a CapCut application, and you can easily see the downloads of it is 5 million downloads and 5 million reviews are here. So you can see how much interesting these are, all the categories. 5 million downloads and 5 million reviews are here for us. So here is our application. Let me open this and let's see how you can edit your videos and photos. Here is I will take an video, and here we will edit this video. Basically it is an screenshot and image. You can easily, first of all we see that you can easily increase the length of your image. Now it is 24 seconds video. Okay, so let me show you. You can first of all easily select the ratio. If you want to fit it, then you can fit like this, like this, like this. Okay, but if you don't want to fit that, so you can easily select TikTok, Instagram, and this is YouTube, and YouTube for TV. And you can see there are too much styles of you can see style of video and ratio which can you edit easily. Okay, so here is the ratio I will show you, and it is an edit option. On edit option there are a lot of option. You can see split, animation, style, delete, cut out, edit, filters, adjust, retouch, mask, overlay, replace, capacity, copy, and graphics. So you can see all of these are here, and it is very good and interesting, I guess. So it is all the editing option. Now you can see on audio, you can select a sound from the CapCut application. If you want to, you can easily sign into TikTok, and you can easily put the song of TikTok into this, and you can easily use the effect here. These are the effect, like the effect you can see. It is an clapping effect. Okay, here are many of these effects are present. Okay, so you can easily select a beam here, and here is the extract. You can extract any audio from your video, and you can easily record from here. You can voice over here. Okay, so here is an text option. You can see there are too many text option are here. Okay, here is a sticker, overlay, effects, filters, ratio, canva. Okay, so from here you can see here is a canvas. On canvas you can see they will provide you colors, background, and blur. You can easily use these threes. You can use easily these three option for edit your video. Okay, so yeah, you will see that all these are done. On clicking this you will get these animations. Okay, and animations are too much good, and there are a lot of animation in this. Here is in, combo, and out. So you can easily select the duration of animation. So like this your video and your photo will become. So it is very good and best edit application. So guys, if you like our video, then subscribe our YouTube channel, press the bell icon, so you will get our videos as soon as possible. We will meet in next video. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.